In the United States alone, approximately 47% of all jobs are at high risk of being automated, with 13% of those jobs already having been displaced by artificial intelligence and machine learning. This staggering figure is not just a prediction, but a reality that has already begun to unfold. The job of a data entry clerk, for instance, has seen a significant decline in recent years, with the Bureau of Labor Statistics reporting a 26% decrease in employment from 2020 to 2022. Delving deeper into the numbers, it becomes clear that AI has been steadily replacing jobs across various sectors. The manufacturing industry, in particular, has been at the forefront of this shift, with a reported 24% of all manufacturing jobs being automated in the past 5 years. This trend is expected to continue, with a projected 38% of all manufacturing jobs being automated by 2025. The automotive industry, a significant sector within manufacturing, has already begun to feel the effects, with companies like Tesla and General Motors investing heavily in AI-powered production lines. Experts in the field, such as Dr. David Autor, a renowned economist at MIT, have weighed in on the issue, stating that while AI may displace certain jobs, it will also create new ones. However, these new jobs will require a significantly different skill set, with a focus on critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 140 million jobs worldwide may be displaced by 2030, but up to 230 million new jobs may emerge, resulting in a net gain of 90 million jobs. This shift towards AI-driven industries is not limited to the United States, with countries like China, Japan, and South Korea also investing heavily in AI research and development. In fact, a report by the International Federation of Robotics found that in 2020, these countries accounted for over 60% of all industrial robot shipments worldwide. As AI continues to advance and improve, it is likely that we will see even more jobs being displaced, but also new ones emerging. The key to navigating this shift will be in developing the necessary skills to work alongside AI systems, rather than competing against them. The numbers are clear. AI is here to stay, and it will continue to have a significant impact on the job market. As we move forward, it is essential that we focus on developing the skills necessary to thrive in an AI-driven economy. With the global electric vehicle market expected to reach $1.4 trillion by 2027, and AI playing a crucial role in this growth, staying informed about the latest trends and developments is more important than ever. Subscribe to Evtrix for real EV data every week.